Imagine being able to work 4 times faster than typing just by glancing at your computer. No more aching fingers, no more time wasted, just pure smoothness. And the brand is Whisperfloat. I'm going to show you how to use it and how to work faster. So without further delay, let's jump right into today's video. Alright guys, now that you know what Whisperfloat is all about, I'll show you how to download it, sign up, and then log in. Also, how to use their services. So, as you can see here, the exact URL you want to type in is whisperflow.ai. Once you've done that, it'll bring you to a screen that looks like this. And you just need to click the button to download it for your device. In this case, I'm on a Mac. So I'll be downloading it for my Mac device. I'm going to log in, and then I'll show you how to use it further. Okay guys, so once you have sign up and log in, it'll bring you to a screen like this. And as I mentioned earlier, what Whisperflow does is it takes your voice and converts it into text with simple commands. It's also marketed as being 4 times faster than actually typing. So I can literally just talk and I'll save so much time by speaking to my computer instead of typing. Okay, so now I'm going to my email to show you an example of how useful this can be. Instead of typing in who you want to send your email to, you can just press 2 buttons, speak, and it'll automatically fill it in. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see, we are in my email right now. And all you need to do is just click the Control key and the button right next to it on the right, the Command button. And once you've pressed those 2 buttons, you just need to speak. So I want to send this to Amazon. So let's say amazon@gmail.com. So you can see right there, it just typed it out, literally in less than 2 seconds. Guys, all you need to do is click those 2 buttons, top to your computer, and it will instantly turn your speech into text for you. So as you can see, when I spoke to my email, it keeps track of everything you did. For example, today, when I send that email, you can see it here in my history, amazon.gmail.com. Okay, so Whisperflow is introduced as a voice-first productivity tool with the idea of taking typing completely out of the equation. Completely removing typing from the equation and turning it into just talking to your device. To make work faster and easier, it's positioned as a universal dictation tool for modern workspaces. So whether you're a student, an engineer, or someone who makes calls, this is perfect for you because you can save so much time just by speaking to your device, instead of typing everything out. You can use it to send emails, take notes, or even for coding, like in an app such as VS Code. So Whisperflow adapts to both your personal and work-related needs. For example, you can have your own personal dictionary or a team dictionary, which I'll show you right here. So as you can see, right here we have our personal dictionary and our shared one, so it's really perfect. Whether you want to use it for your personal stuff, or if you have a business and want to save time for your whole team, you can do that too. Same goes for snippets. You have both personal and team snippets, so you can just share them and everyone will have access. You also have the option to change the style of your text for personal messages, work messages, emails, and more. So you can customize it to any style you like. Whisperflow comes with features like SOC Type 2, and it's HIPAA ready too. You also have the option for zero data retention, so you can protect those sensitive messages or information. Try Whisperflow today and see how fast you can work when you let your voice do the job. It's available on Mac, Windows, and iPhone. Check out today. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Next time.